Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. As you guys know, summer holiday is almost over and we are getting ready back to school. Alright, and today I have the perfect PDF solution, alright, for teachers or students that deal with a lot of PDF. Either you are submitting your schoolwork or assignment, or teachers if you are like doing like some PowerPoint presentation that using PDF, or any lecture notes that using PDF, and you don't want to pay like a a full-time license for Adobe Acrobat because they are really costly. Alright, you guys can look into this second option that I'm introducing to you, and they're having a sale right now which is really incredible, and you guys can get the full features of this really amazing PDF editor I've been using personally for myself. Alright, and it has so many things that it can do on this thing. So without further ado, what PDF editor am I talking about? Well, it is this PDF editor right here. So this is a tenorshare PDNob, and they are having their back to school sale right over here right now, alright, for the next 1 month or so. You guys can see still got 35 days remaining for recording this video, and they have a lot of sales ongoing right now if you guys want to get this PDF editor, which I'm going to show you and talk to you more about this PDF editor later on. But let me just talk about this sale that is ongoing right now. Alright, so you guys can get to up to 85% off from the original price, and you guys can save so much more. Alright, and it can cost you way cheaper than any other alternative PDF editor out there. You guys can save so much money. Alright, and you guys can see right here, for one-time payment for lifetime access, alright, for only US $55.99. Alright, the usual price that this was going on for was $349, which is, you can save so much money. You can use one time and you don't have to pay any more. Alright, so it's really amazing. Alright, and the features they give you is really good. I'm going to show it to you later on. Alright, or you guys can get a 1 year with 24 months free for $35.99, which is so cheap right now. I mean, it's no-brainer if you want to get a PDF editor that is really good. Alright, you guys can get this right now. Alright, and you guys can also stand a chance to win really amazing prizes like a 1 month free license, 3-month license, and as well as an Apple iPad or $100 Amazon gift card by participating in this. Alright, 100% chance to win. Alright, so yeah, you guys can follow the rules right here, alright, and stand a chance to win one of the prizes over here, which is really amazing, and they have a lot of offers ongoing really on. Alright, and there's a lot of perks right over here, so you guys can check it out. But right now I'm going to show you guys the PDF editor, the PDNob, and you guys can see for yourself how good of a PDF editor this thing actually is. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so what you guys see right here, alright, this is the PDF editor, and you guys can see, alright, you can do a lot of things. Alright, this thing also have AI included to help you with a lot of other things you need to do with AI as well. I can help you summarize and how to transcribe all this and that. Really cool. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a few example PDF. Alright, so we have two PDF over here. One is probably for a student if you're doing like a citation or doing a report or a research paper. Alright, this is probably what you will be doing. Alright, so for example, this is the research paper that you did, but you save it into PDF and you forgot that there's some grammar errors or like some citation errors, or some sentence doesn't make sense. Alright, and you couldn't edit it because it's a PDF editor. So what are you going to do? Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to put it into this PDNob right here, and you guys can see. Let me just make it bigger so you guys can see better. So as you guys have seen earlier on, it is a PDF file, so there is no way to edit that. So if you want to edit it using PDNob, all you guys have to do is just go edit. Alright, and you guys can see everything can be edited now. So for me, I find like this AI paradigm has also expanded. Alright, so maybe this sentence doesn't feel right, or I can just delete it, or I can change to another sentence I want. AI is the new generational, or whatever you want to type it in. Alright, so I can edit everything here. If your name is wrong, your name is Sean Wang, I want to change to Joban, I can do that as well. Okay, so I can just change my name. Alright, and I can change change the address, the email number. You can do that as well. Alright, you guys can change, maybe this word is wrong, it shouldn't be medium, it should be low. Alright, I can change it as well, and all this thing can be edited easily, and you guys can change the font you like, the size, the lettering, alright, underline, crossover text. Alright, you can do a lot of things over here, and they have like excellent text as well. You guys can add new text inside here. Alright, you guys can see I can add new text over here. I can add an image, a link. I can do a lot of things, basically anything you want to do on it, you can do that as well. Alright, and also I can also have a select mode as well and a hand mode. So I can also edit all. So at this part here, I can also move it downwards as well. You guys can see I can resize it as well. Alright, yeah, basically you can do whatever you want to the whole PDF. It's all very flexible. Alright, and you can also convert it to, like, to Word document, to Excel, or to PowerPoint as well. And you guys can convert batch, so you can have like multiple batches of PDF document just to convert it. So you guys can do that as well. You guys can rearrange the page as well. If you think this page should be page 1, you can do that as well. And if I go to home now, this page is page 1, so you guys can do that as well. Alright, you can do a lot of things to it. You can add a new page, split the page, replace the page. You can do a lot of things. You can also protect your PDF document for, instead of like if scared of copyrighted. This will be more for teachers if you want like your lecture notes to be like protected. Alright, so you guys can do the encryption. Alright, mark for redaction. You have certain tools as well. You guys can merge, compress. Really cool thing to do over here. And they also have the AI right over here. You guys can see the AI sidebar. Alright, what the AI can do is basically you guys can also have a summarize. So let's say if this is the whole research paper and you are too lazy to read through, for example, alright, you guys can use the AI to summarize it for you. Alright, so I agree that. Alright, they'll upload it to the AI and they will summarize it to you, and you guys can see. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see. I'm just going to move myself away, and you guys can see right over here. I don't know. Okay, on the left side, alright, you guys can see, on the right side, sorry, you guys can see using ChatGPT-4, alright, to do it for you. So yeah, GPT-4 is like one of the most advanced AI that you guys can use right now. So yeah, it's really cool, and you guys can see it has summarize it for you as well. So you can see what is this article about, and you guys can also ask it related to this article as well. So you guys can use this to do a lot of things using AI as well. Alright, so the AI is a very helpful tool to help you with any of your needs, alright, to summarize this. And you guys can also choose between, let me just move it aside, right? Alright, you guys can choose between GPT-4 or DeepSeek R1. So if you guys want to use like a more advanced reasoning model, you guys can of course go with the DeepSeek R1. But I think GPT-4 is really good as well. But you have the choices of both models, so which is really awesome. They let you choose which one you prefer. Alright, and let me just show you another PDF I have right over here. So this is CMU one. This is the Harvard, more of like a Harvard introduction to computer science. So this is a PDF. This is more like mainly targeted for teachers. Alright, so if you like, you just created a PDF slides, alright, for your lecture slides, alright, to do in lecture, and you find out, hey, oh, okay, this one I do some like typo error, right? I want to edit it, but it's PDF, it can't be edited, right? So same, you just have to drag it into, alright, open the file, okay, example PDF, and I just open up here, and you guys can see, alright, everything is all open up in this PDF document. I find like, oh, okay, maybe the pie chart is a bit wrong, alright, and I want to edit it, so I can edit all, right? And then I can like maybe like, okay, this is supposed to be like 30% instead, alright, and this is probably like 2010, okay. You can just edit it right in front here. You can just resize it. Alright. And bam, okay, so for 2010, and this is the workload itself. Alright, and for the image itself, there's also a lot of other things you can do on this PDF editor. As you guys can see right over here, they have a few different things you guys can do. You guys can replace, alright, the image itself, alright, and you guys can bring forward, bring backwards, extract the image, rotate the image. So you guys can do everything with the image itself. Alright, you guys can increase, make it bigger. You get this, the student cannot see it. Alright, you guys can also increase it. Alright, all this can be like, maybe you find, hey, there's something wrong with the code. Shouldn't be, ARGC, it should be integer argument. Alright, and yeah, also character. Alright, ARGV, this is, I think it's the C++. Alright, it's the C. Yeah, so you guys can edit all this, and maybe that this code is wrong. Alright, maybe it should be like yes/no. You guys can put yes/no. Alright, make it capital letter. Alright, you guys can see you can edit all this, you can add your own watermark, all this and that. So yeah, it's a really useful PDF editor that can do everything and anything you want. Alright, to image, to text, you drag them around. Basically, you have the full flexibility to do anything, to do any edit, alright, to your PDF file very easily without any tweaking, without any conversion at all, this and that. Alright, it's really an awesome tool for you to edit right on the spot itself, which is really awesome. Alright, so yeah, if you guys have seen from how useful the tool is, and if you guys want to get this as an alternative to a more expensive Adobe Acrobat or any other PDF editor out there that is not as comprehensive as this, alright, this is by far one of the best PDF editor I've used all the time whenever I need to edit my school as well, right? So yeah, don't miss out on this opportunity and get this right now, because they are ongoing for only a month, and after that, you know, you will be paid the full price for it. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Check out the first link in the video description down below and get this PDNob for you right now. You guys can save up to 85%, alright, and save so much more. If you guys don't want to pay so much, you guys can also get a 1 year and get another year free. 24 months and get another 2 years free. I think that's really, really incredible. Alright, so you guys can, for 3 years license, you guys can get it for $35.99 US. Where else can you find such a good deal? Alright, for such a comprehensive PDF editor that comes with an AI built in that can help you make your life easier and makes you learn things faster as well. And yeah, it's really incredible, and don't miss out on this giveaway they're doing right now. You guys can also unlock like certain lifetime free license, 3-month free license for PDNob, alright, or 1 month free. Alright, image translation, this is a guaranteed win, and you guys can get to win some iPads and get Amazon gift card. So it's really, really amazing. So don't miss out on this opportunity. You know, go check out the first link in the video description down below and start your school with a head start ahead of everyone with this tenorshare PDNob. Right now, the first link will be in the video description down below, and get a license for yourself right now, alright? So yeah, that's all there, guys. If you find this video really interesting and really helpful, let me know in the comment section as well. If you guys want me to review more videos like this, you guys can let me know in the comment section as well. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. And this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.